Assalamualaikum. Today our group will be presenting about logo detection using AI model. My name is Adib Aiman. My group member is Khairul Akmal and Abang Irham Amiruddin. In this project, my task is to search and find the suitable dataset to train the AI model. The problem statement for our project is retail shop had to track their product brand, which is a large amount of goods, and eventually error could happen anytime while they are detecting the brand. Moreover, the staff at the retail shop had to count each brand from each shelf physically, which is time consuming and inefficient. The owner had to pay many staff if their store is big and they are still tracking their brand using the traditional method, which is stated in point number 2, which is to count each brand from each shelf physically. The objective for our project is to enable computer to perform an intellectual task, which in our case is to detect a certain brand logo. This AI will help user, for example, the retail shop, to sort their clothes according to their specific brand. Moreover, retail shop often tracks the share of each brand on a shelf space, which is done by physically counting each item on the shelves. With the help of an AI that is trained to detect a brand logo, the job will become easier and more efficient. The retail shop owner also can cut their costs since they now doesn't have to pay many workers because they have an AI to help their staff to track the goods.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irham, and my role in this project is to create the GUI for this system, and next is to find out the technique used in this AI model. I will be explaining the technique used inside this AI model. The technique that we use in our artificial intelligence model is CNN, which stands for Convolutional Neural Network. It reduces the images into a form that is easier to be processed without losing the features which are critical to get an accurate prediction. We apply it by proving a set of data, which in our case a set of images representing a few logos that we want to identify. By using that data set, the computer undergoes training so that it can predict a logo with a good precision. In our project, we had been using YOLO.net, an open source neural network framework that provides a training mechanism for the computer. The reason we use it is because .NET is easy to install and gives faster data training. .NET Neural Network Framework comes with YOLO real-time object detection that specializes in object detection algorithm. YOLO is basically a CNN, and it is made up of mostly convolutional layers. First, the convolutional layers are used to detect the features of the images. After detecting the features, the rectified linear unit activation or ReLU activation is used to change all negative value into 0, and everything else is a raw output, which means it doesn't change. Next, to lighten the load on the network, the AI model also uses pooling layers, which reduces the size of the convolutional layers, normally by max pooling or average pooling. A huge amount of dataset is required to train a model in deep learning. Therefore, there are large computational operations happening inside the memory. To compute the data efficiently, GPU is the optimum choice. The larger the computations, the more the advantage of GPU over CPU. Google Colab is a free cloud service, and it also supports free GPU. By using Google Colab, we save the consumption of our computer's GPU, thus We can train the AI model more faster this way. Now, let's proceed to the demonstration of the AI system.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Khairul Akmal. For this project, I have been assigned to configure YOLO version 2.NET. YOLO is stand for You Only Look Once, and YOLO is the real-time object detection system. Apart from that, I have been assigned to train the dataset which is provided by Adib Aiman. And lastly, I need to provide input for the program and taking the output. There are 8 classes for our program, which is Adidas, Apple, BMW, Ford, HP, Google, Intel and Puma. Now I will demonstrate how our program works. Firstly, we need to select our input image. The image must be a JPEG file. For example, I will choose this image, and now just click this test button. There are 32 layers in our program which involve max pooling and convolutional layers. Okay, just close this, and this will be the output. The program detects Google logo inside this image with 83% of confidence score. If you want to test other image, just click this reset button and repeat previous step, which is select input image. And now I will test this image. Just click open and click test button. Okay, we need to close this, and this will be the output. The system detects Intel logo inside this image with 83% of confidence score. That's all from me. Thank you.